Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Temu haul. So basically I have a lot of beauty products. I have some cute like Disney products. I'm going to be going to Disneyland in like 2 days, so I have a couple of those products as well. I have some clothing items. I will not be trying them on in this video, but I will be doing a clothing haul soon on my channel. But we do have a couple goodies here today. We also have a lot of Bratz things as well. So if you want to see what I picked up from Temu, just keep on watching. I also do have a playlist which is going to be linked down below if you want to check out my past Temu videos as well in the description box. But before we do that, if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. So let's get the big things out of the way. First off, I went ahead and bought this is like a Bratz canvas. I'll have all the pictures on the screen as I talk about them, but this is basically a huge canvas. I'm planning to put this as my background now that the summer months are approaching. I will need like a fan girl in my face while I'm filming and such, so the little streamers that I have behind me do tend to move around and shift when there is a fan towards me, so I really want to transform my background into more of a Bratz theme, so we're gonna see how that works. But I did go ahead and buy this big canvas. I'll have the measurements down below, but this is huge, girl, so it's gonna cover a lot of the background. So this is just adorable, and I did already open it and see what was in here, and it looks great. So it does come with a couple little hooks in here so you can hang it on your wall. Did also buy a Bratz poster. Now this one here, I think it's cute. Now I did want to accumulate a couple of Bratz things because I do have some Bratz clothing hauls, and you guys know I love Bratz. So I did go ahead and pick up this other canvas. So this is like a poster kind of material. These are the Rock Angels poster. It's actually a really cute size. I saw they also have like a slumber party one, which I do want to pick up as well. But this is the one that I got. Again, I'll have all the measurements down below, but this is how big it is. I can't really like extend it so to show you, but it is a Bratz poster. Again, it's like a canvas, and it's like the canvas kind of material, and I don't know if you can hear that, like it's not like paper. It's like a really interesting material, but there's a look at that, and I'm honestly really happy with it. Now the picture is a little pixelated, but honestly I didn't really expect much, you know, from this, so I thought this was cute, and I'll definitely have to hang this up somewhere in my room. Doesn't really go with my aesthetic, right? It's like red vibes, but I don't know. I just picked it up to go with the Bratz haul, but this is so cute. I do want to pick up the pink one though that they have on the site. Now these tend to go really quickly, so if you're looking at them, pick it up, girl, throw it in your cart and check out, because yeah, these go fast. However, I'm like noticing that it's kind of like fraying a little bit, and I haven't even used it yet, but yeah, that's the Bratz canvas. Before we get into all the other like fun stuff, let's get into the clothing. I did pick up 3 pieces of clothing. We have a t-shirt here. I picked up 2 Bratz t-shirts. This is probably like my favorite one out of the little outfits that I purchased. This is a Bratz t-shirt here. I did get it in the shade I did get it in the size XL. There's a look at that. I'm gonna have the picture again on the screen. Now this one I feel looks the best out of the 2 that I purchased. The actual picture looks really cute. You could kind of like see it there. The quality of the shirt is that stretchy kind of material. Not sure how to explain that, but let's see what the little tag says. 82% polyester, 8% elastane, and made in China. There's a look at the little tag. See-through vibes, so definitely wear, you know, something under there. But this is definitely cute, and I can't wait to try it on and see what's going on. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite out of the 2 that I purchased. This one here, I was a little disappointed, even though I went back on the site and it literally looks like this on the website as well. But this is another Bratz t-shirt, also an XL. This one only comes with this little tag here. The actual like image just looks low quality, like it just is not that cute. So I'm kind of sad about this one. Now this one is definitely going to become more of a like weekend kind of whatever shirt for me, not something that I wear on the daily, because again, it just doesn't look the best quality. Honestly, yeah, I don't know, something about this one, not my favorite. Also, I feel like this one is like better quality and the texture of the shirt, but the actual like image is just not that cute to me. I don't know. And lastly, I know if you're into Bratz, you saw this on the site. They have this cute little like Sasha set. It comes with the pants, it comes with the shirt, also that kind of elastic kind of workout material. I also got this in XL, I believe. It is like purple and it is like a tie-dye kind of material, kind of color to it. I didn't know it was gonna come backwards, girl. It's literally backwards. Like right now that I'm looking at it in the viewfinder, it looks good, but in person, it's like if you look at this in the mirror, it makes sense, but like not, you know, like it's not the right way. When I look at it, it's Sasha spelled backwards. The Bratz is backwards. Like, what's going on here? So just keep that in mind. I haven't tried these products on, but this is definitely one that I'm gonna have to wear on the weekend, and it's just kind of weird walking around with a shirt that's like the words are backwards. You know, it's weird. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Did you pick any of these products up? I don't know how to feel about the clothing items. I was only like happy with that first shirt, but the other ones I'm like, girl. Let's stay on the same Bratz train. I also did pick up this Bratz necklace, which is actually what made me and prompted this haul. Was this necklace? It's so cute. It does come with a little like silver chain. It is kind of cheapy vibe, so it does feel like it's gonna rust quickly, but I just thought this was adorable, and it is a little Bratz necklace, and I have a lot of Bratz shirts and such, sweaters, so I thought this would go so well with those clothing items, so I did go ahead and pick up this necklace. So cute. Love. Haven't used it yet, but I cannot wait to try this out. Last thing for the little Bratz section, we also do have a phone case, which I have been eyeing this one out. I did pick it up in black. I believe it also comes in clear, maybe white and black. I wish it did come like in a pink shade, but this is the little Brat with the fuzzy hat on, and it does say baby fat on it. So cute. So I cannot wait to pop this on my phone. Let's get into the more miscellaneous products, the products that I bought for Disneyland. I do have some cute like alien ears I'm gonna be wearing in a couple days, so I thought it'd be fun to pick up a couple of pieces that I can wear with my outfit. So this is the Disney Pixar Toy Story Space Crane, which looks like that. I believe they do sell these at Miniso, and it did come like in a Mickey version and a alien version. It does come with a charger little cable with this little thing so you can like hang it, a couple of instructions, and then it comes with your little fan. Look at this, so cute. Little alien fan. It's adorable, and it is Pixar Fest at the moment, so yeah, it's so good and it feels so good on the face. So I'll definitely have to charge this before I take it with me, but girl. And it has 3 settings as well. Oh, I'm telling you, girl. I have 2 handheld fans now. This is my second one. I also do have a pink one that I purchased from Shein, and girl, I haven't yet to use them, but in the summer I know it's gonna be the best thing to have in my purse. So yeah, love this purchase already. And this is where you plug it in to charge, and then yes, so that's basically it. You can charge it. The pink one that I bought from Shein is battery powered, whereas this one is more charged, but this is adorable, girl. Love. I also did buy this cute little bag that I had also been eyeing on the site, and it's just a cute little alien crossbody bag. It is soft and fuzzy, and this is gonna go so great with my outfit. It has a little like space thing here. Obviously it's not gonna be an everyday kind of wear thing for me, but for Disneyland this is gonna do, and it definitely is bigger than I thought. And it looks like it's gonna hold quite a bit of things in here. So it does come with a little thing. Might just pop a chain on this, wear it like that, just to up the quality, you know. But this is so cute, and again, I'm gonna have all the pictures and prices on the screen, but cannot wait to try this out. So love. So let's get into the makeup products. I did go ahead and buy this little poof that I saw on the site. It's just like a cute little pink puff, and this basically looks like a Real Techniques sponge that I've seen. I think I've seen this on like the Real Techniques website or at Ulta Beauty, where one side is that like soft plushy vibe and the other is that kind of textured sponge material. So we're gonna see how this works, but I did go ahead and pick this up. I've been seeing these online as well, and these are actually a dupe for, I believe, is it Milk Makeup that came out with some products like this. I'll have the potential dupe on the screen, but this is the Fantasy Jelly Blush and Lip Stain, which looks like so. And this is from Ministar, which you guys know Ministar is one of my favorite brands from Temu. And I picked up the shade for Berry. Here's a look at the packaging, really cute. And that's how the product looks. So again, it can be used on your lips or as like a blush situation. So let's go ahead and swatch. It feels so cooling on the skin. There's a look at this shade. This one here is an 04. That is so cute. Cannot wait to try this on the cheeks. But again, a cute little like blotting moment on the lips would be so cute too. It also smells so good. So see this on the side, the Huda Emoji Halo Glow Liquid Highlight. So this is also another Huda Beauty potential dupe. I love the size of this product. Also the doe foot applicator is perfect. Let's go ahead and swatch this shade. There's a look at that. This one is in the shade 08. Looks so beautiful. Cannot wait to try this out on the face. It just feels like really nice quality as well, and the actual color looks so pretty. It's definitely more on the pinky kind of side, and they do offer a bunch of other color variations and such on the site. Super affordable, and I really love this packaging. Did also come across this face palette. This is the Rose XIXI Contour Palette, and it just looked really intriguing. I hadn't seen this brand before on the site, so I thought I'd try it out. And I believe this one came in 2 different color variations. I think I chose like the deepest one. The packaging looks exactly like the little carton that it came in. There's a look at that. Comes with a mirror as well, and then you get your 3 products right there. So it looks like you get, these are more like contour kind of vibes, but let me go ahead and swatch them. There's a swatch of all 3 shades, definitely giving more like contour vibes, right? And we have that white shade as well, which I don't know what it's for, but we're gonna test this out and see how this works. I have been eyeing this out for so long on the site. This is the Hojo Translucent Luminous Sparkling Stereo High Definition Disc. I don't know, that's what it says, but this is basically a highlight, a potential dupe for ABH. Stunning. I'm sure you can tell like what this is supposed to be duping. And there's a look at the highlight. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's definitely more golden like when I look at it, but on the viewfinder it looks like lighter vibes. There's a swatch. It's just so stunning. I cannot wait to try this out on the face. Beautiful. Definitely looks and feels like what I expected. The actual packaging is not that great. It's like cheapy vibes, but the product is like really nice quality, and it does come with the mirror as well, which I do have to peel off the little thing, but yeah, the swatch does not disappoint. I did go ahead and pick up the Hecky Beauty face palette. What is this? Eyeshadow palette. I did use this as a thumbnail in one of my videos because girl, they're always discontinuing things. So when I'm like trying to make a thumbnail for my Temu videos, I have to, you know, work with what I have. And sometimes the palettes that I want to talk about, I just coughed. That's why my eyes are watery. Sometimes the palettes that I'm talking about are not on the site anymore, so I have to improvise, and I use palettes that are on the site at the moment. This is one of them that landed in one of my thumbnails, and people were asking like, you didn't talk about that palette, what's going on, where is it? So I had been eyeing this palette anyway, so I am going to go ahead and use this in a full face of Temu coming up soon. Again, you guys know usually what I do for my Temu playlist is I do a haul video, I do a full face, and then I do a ranking video for you guys. So that will be happening with this haul as well. I just went ahead and threw this in my carts, and now it is here. Actual packaging is really nice quality. There's a close-up look at that. This is a talc-free palette. I did go ahead and pick up the one in pink filter. So the mirror does have like a little you know, protective sticker over it, but this is an alleged dupe for Rare Beauty. They have some eyeshadow palettes that look like this, so there's a look at that. I'm not going to swatch this palette in today's video, but I will be using it again in a full face of Temu coming soon. I love the quality of this palette, and the actual shades look stunning. You guys know how much I love pink shadow now. So yeah, cannot wait to try this out. We also do have a setting spray. This is from Amico, and this is their Stay Glow Fix Plus. This is a glow spray makeup and body spray. So I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this up. Honestly, I don't remember. Okay, it doesn't look as pink as it did online, but this is again the Stay Glow Fix, and it does have like some like glitter in there. It looks so beautiful. Let's go ahead and spray a little bit. It doesn't have a scent to it, but it did give my hand a little bit of luminosity. So we're gonna have to try this out on the décolleté, on the chest, on the face. We're gonna see what this does. But yeah, really excited about this. Not really a dupe for anything specific, but it is a Fix Plus, so yeah. And lastly, we have some Shop Miss A dupes or alleged dupe sponges. So these are the Super Bounce makeup sponges. These literally look like the Shop Miss A sponges, and it's wild. But we are going to go ahead and test these out and see, are they the same? What's going on? Are these better? Are they cheaper? Which are better? Which are good, great quality? But this is literally the last product in today's haul. So if you want to see me try all of these products out, obviously stick around, subscribe and all of that, because I do these types of videos all the time. Haven't done a Temu haul in a couple months, but we're here, girl. And these are things that have accumulated in my carts, and I finally placed the order. Let me know your thoughts. Have you purchased any of these products? Are you going to purchase any of them? Have you tried any of them? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.